In this video, we are going to prepare Godowns in Tally ERP 9. First, go to FR features. Here you can find inventory features, manufacturing form, Godown, multiple Godowns. Make it yes. Okay. Now inventory info, go to the Godowns, create raw materials Godown. Okay, Godowns under primary quantity, yes, assembling Godowns as primary, yes. Okay, now we have to transfer entries from raw material Godown to assembling Godown. How we can transfer these? Okay, for that purpose we have to create first assembling Godown, then stock general we have to create. Okay, stock general where inventory info, voucher types. Okay, first okay, how we have to create? Okay, first we have to Alt S7 for consumption. Assembly Godown we have prepared. Now let's see. Okay, here we have to transfer from stock raw material Godown to assembling Godown. Go to inventory vouchers. Here stock general we got, otherwise shortcut key Alt F7. Okay, name of the item, take processor P4, source raw material Godown. Okay, then quantity 25. okay, it shows negative. Why? Because we have changes prepared Godown later. If we prepare earlier, so it's easy. Let me show you first. Okay, transfer item from raw material Godown to manufacture assembling Godown. Okay, inventory vouchers. Here name of the item, for example processor P4. Godown is a raw material Godown. Quantity 25. Price and amount automatically displayed. Okay, then monitor from raw material Godown. How much? 50. Then processor Athlon from raw material 25 quantity. Then hard disk raw material 50 quantity. The price and amounts automatically displayed. Then keyboard from raw material Godown, it's 50. Okay, raw material Godown and it's 50, 200. Next, mouse raw material Godown, mouse also 50, 150. Motherboard, I think we didn't, yeah, we have updated but still it's not showing. 50. Okay, the price of the mouse motherboard was 3200. Okay, here processor P4 from assembling Godown. Okay, quantity 25, amount will automatically displayed. Monitor assembling Godown 50, then processor, Athlon, assembling godown 25, then hard disks, assembling godown 50, then come to the keyboard, its assembling godown 50, 200. Okay, mouse, assembling godown 150, sorry, 20 or 50 and 150. Now motherboard. Okay, motherboard assembling godown, it's also 50, 3200. Okay, this is the transferring from raw material godown to transfer of material from raw material godown to assembling godown. This is how that one item transfer from one godown to another godown in Tally ERP 9. For godown purpose, we can also create one more godown, assembling godown. So we can also create finish godown. Finish goods go down. Okay, so this one how we can create godowns in Tally ERP 9.